Twitter marketing can be the business, but it can also be a pain in the backside. We're going to talk about 3 tips to get your Twitter marketing campaign off to the best possible start, and we're going to talk about it right now. Hi guys, you're very welcome back to the channel. It's Mark here. So today we're going to talk about Twitter marketing. Twitter can be very effective. It's a good social media platform. It's been in the news a good bit lately for some probably negative reasons. People getting thrown off there, getting lifetime bans and stuff for political views. So it's a bit sticky at the moment, shall we say? But look, there's still some great marketing opportunities there for people who know how to use it. So today we're going to talk about 3 Twitter marketing tips that you may not know, or that may be fairly obvious. Either way, it's going to do no harm for you to brush up on your Twitter marketing. So before we get going, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave any likes, comments down below, guys. Help the small channel out. We're trying to build it up here as quick as we can. So if you find this video informative, just let us know down below, or if there's any other videos that you'd like to see us doing, please just say so and we'll get it done for you. With that, let's do it. Twitter marketing.
3 sharp tips to market your product on Twitter. Twitter can certainly be described as a marketing powerhouse. If you do not know how to market your product on Twitter, you are missing out a great deal. Smart marketers have always been making use of this social media platform to stay ahead of the competitors. At the same time, a wrong approach is not going to deliver the expected results. Here are 3 sharp tips to market your product on Twitter. Number 1. Increase your Twitter followers to get real leads. You may have a superior marketing content that offers real value to the customers. What would happen if you have only a few followers? Achieving the expected results becomes an impossible task. You need to expand your following, and when the number of followers increases, your product visibility improves significantly. Attraction marketing is the best method to be employed in Twitter, and it always generates high-quality leads. You should not post links without writing an original line to accompany the link. This is because posting links directly creates an impression that you are simply pushing promotions and content for your site. When you create tweets with personality, people easily connect with your Twitter posts. In order to improve your following, you can initiate conversations, join discussions, and start engaging with other members. Other effective options include answering the questions and responding to the feedback of other people as well. Tip number 2. Identify your niche and conduct research to find out what people really want to know. On Twitter, you can find everything: different niches, different types of discussions, and many more. You need to follow the area that goes in complete harmony with their business requirements, and that is exactly where the importance of defining your niche comes in. You have to follow or join discussions with people who are within your industry. Once you identify your niche, you must do some research to discover the keywords that go well with your niche. Research should also be done to identify what really people want to know and what really interests them. Tip number 3. Offer a solution. If you want to promote your product on Twitter, you have to provide convincing solutions to the questions and concerns of your prospects. When you become helpful, you win the trust of the people, and it also helps you attract a lot of people. You have to establish your presence, providing answers to the questions, comments, and discussions that are in line with the product you are selling certainly improves your reputation. In conclusion, it can be said without an iota of a doubt that Twitter is a highly beneficial social marketing platform. And when you follow these 3 tips, your product promotion journey on Twitter becomes enjoyable and result-oriented as well. If you want more information about Twitter marketing, check out the recommended resources on this page. See you there.
Have you used any of these tips for Twitter marketing, or have you even tried Twitter marketing? If you haven't, guys, just let us know, or if you have used the tips, let us know down below. Don't forget to leave a comment. Also hit that subscribe button. The bell notification is there too, guys. Smash that bad boy. And don't forget to check out some of the other videos we have on the channel here, guys. We're a small channel, we're trying to get going, so every little helps. If you want any videos made on Twitter marketing or anything else like that, let us know. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye bye.